all in 5 Minutes Information channel, and this is episode number 58. And in this episode, I will talk about the reference sources, user guidance. The notes of this video lecture is available on the URL link mentioned on this video description. In this video, I will talk about the 4 main points about the reference sources. Number 1, what is reference sources? Number 2, what are the most common types of reference sources and their usage? Point number 3, what are the format of reference sources? And point number 4, what are the functions of reference sources? The point number 1, what is the reference sources? Reference sources are authoritative work that help you locate information about people, fact, and ideas. These sources can help you to find the date of an important event, major achievement of an individual, organization, or a country, or definition of a term or concept. Point number 2, what are the most common types of reference sources and their usage? There are 6 common types of reference sources. Number 1, dictionary. Number 2, encyclopedia. Number 3, handbooks or manual. Number 4, directories. Number 5, atlases. Number 6, almanac. I will discuss each reference sources and their usage one by one. Number 1, dictionary. A reference book on a particular subject, the items of which are typically arranged in alphabetical order. Usage of dictionary. Look up the meaning of any language word you see or hear to find the translation of a word in your own language. Number 3, check the spelling of a word. And number 4, find the grammatical information about the words and find the synonym or antonym of a word. Source number 2, encyclopedia. Encyclopedia, a book or set of books giving information on many subjects or many aspects of any specific subject and typically arranged alphabetically. The usage of encyclopedia. It is used for academic research, personal research, professional research, broad outlines, and historical information. Point number 3, handbook. A handbook giving information such as fact on a particular subject or instruction for operating a machine or electronic or digital device. The usage of handbook. Number 1, rules and regulation and procedure. Number 2, support to the expert. Number 3, to run a device. Number 4, how to operate the device. Source number 4, directory. A book or website listing individual or organization alphabetically or thematically with details such as name, addresses, phone number, and email addresses. The usage of directory. To know about the business address, to locate the name of a person, to find the professional giant of any specific person. Source number 5, atlases. A bound collection of a map, often include illustration, informative tables, and texture. Usage of atlases. To find the climate, to find the geographical information of a specific area, update about the natural resources like water, agriculture, river, and land, longitudinal or altitude location of any specific area. Source number 6, almanac. An almanac is an annual calendar containing important dates and statistical information such as astronomical data and tide tables. Usage of almanac. To know as a fact book, to know important dates, to know about the important events, to know about the movements of stars and planets. Point number 3, what are the format of reference sources? There are 3 main format of the reference sources. Number 1, printed format. If a source available in a print format. Number 2, online or e-content format. if a source is available in a e-content or available on the internet. Number 3, hybrid format. If a source available both in printed and as well as online format, known as a hybrid format. Point number 4, what are the function of reference sources? There are 5 main function of the reference sources. Number 1, to help out searching of instant information. Number 2, to find the reliable information. Number 3, to help the remove confusion. Number 4, to save the time of library user. Number 5, less use but use effectively. Here I conclude the episode number 58. I hope you learned about the basic definition of reference sources, what are the main reference sources and their usage, as well as different format of reference sources and function of reference sources. So stay tuned with the 5 minutes information channel, and don't forget, like, comment and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching till the end.